I feel extremely awkward talking to this camera, but I'm going to do it anyway. Hey everybody, this is Random Diorama. Actual name is Jonathan, and I have been wanting to make more YouTube videos for a while, but I've been pretty busy with some other stuff, and I keep putting it off because I don't exactly know where to start. I try to make larger videos. I wanted to make, more in-depth videos of a whole diorama build, but that's quite difficult to do. There's a lot of shooting, a lot of thought kind of has to go into that, and to be quite honest, I just don't really have the skills necessary to pull all that together. So I decided that one of the best things I could do probably is to just be a little bit more spontaneous and get myself in front of the camera. And we're going to do a little bit of a work in progress video where I'm going to show you a couple of things I got going on with the graveyard I'm building back here that, let's see, it's the 24th and I'm supposed to have it done by Halloween. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that's the goal. So I would like to be able to talk about that real quick, and yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here's some of the progress I've made on the graveyard. This is a pretty large graveyard. It's in the scale of roughly 1/12 scale, so it's for 6-inch figures. You got the front here. I might build, like this is an old stone fence I built from another tutorial. I might put a whole fence across here, maybe with an opening, kind of lining up with that or a little offset. I started drawing in the stone pattern on the front here that I'm going to do. There'll be some stairs here, and you can see I did some carving. Let's see if I can get better lighting. Yeah, did some carving all along here where the stones are. And down here is just going to be grass, and I don't know if I'm going to do 2 rows of tombstones. I think 2 rows would probably look better, but I don't want to make it look too small because these are for 6-inch figures. I'm pretty much done with this arch and the entryway here. I might put some kind of supports in here because I just don't like the way it's looking hanging off like that. It looks like it would be very unstable, so I might put like some support bricks under here, just a small little piece of stone to add some, a little more meat to it to make it look a little more realistic. I got the bricks pretty much carved in here. I still have to do some of the lines up top and these recesses. I don't know if you can see that, but I think those look pretty good the way they are back there. I might add some little architectural features in here just to add some depth. And we have the door here. Let's see if I get a little bit of light. I actually have painted this in an Instagram reel today. I'll be adding some like little black straps, iron straps across here, as well as some rivets on that, and that'll be in another Instagram reel. I'm not sure what I'm putting over here. It's either going to be a tree or just maybe more tombstones. It depends on time pretty much. If I have enough time, I might put something fancier. If I don't, we're going to probably go with something like some tombstones or something. And who knows, maybe I'll break this out again next year and finish it up even more. We could always add more to a diorama. So the path will be coming through here and then out the door down here. So that's where we are right now. I'd like to eventually make some more in-depth and longer YouTube videos, but I'm going to work my way there, Getting in front of the camera and doing this kind of vlog style is a big step for me. I'm not usually the type of person that's comfortable in front of a camera. I've done a little bit of speaking at work, where I talk to a group of people for training situations and things like that over the years, but not really with a camera. So this is it's a little awkward. I think I'll get used to it, and hopefully you can watch as I go on this journey, midlife crisis, I don't know. Anyway, we'll see you again. Take care.